Hi everyone, welcome back to a bucket full of surprises. My name is Ruby, and today we're going to be opening some blind bags from Frozen, and also some surprise eggs. Yummy surprise eggs. And we also have two Mr. Minnie's blind box. So let's get started. These are the figures that I got from the previous video that I have. And we're going to open some more and see if we could get all four. Okay, these are the four that we could collect. We already have Kristoff and two Annas. We only need Elsa and Olaf. So hopefully we could get it this time. And here we got Olaf. Yay! Olaf. Let's see what else we have. And here we got Elsa. Yay! Right off the bat, we have all four already. Yay! So we have two Princess Anna, one Kristoff, and one Olaf. Yay! Okay, let's move on to opening these Mr. Minnie's vinyl figure series 2. Let's see what we got. And we got Beasts from Beauty and the Beast. And there is, I guess he's pretty common. There's 1 out of 12 chances that we could get this guy. And I remember getting him in my previous video. So let's hope this one's a different one. Here we got Ariel from Little Mermaid, and she's smiling. How cute. That's really cute. I love it. Okay, so next up, we're going to be opening a box of surprise eggs. In this box, there's 6 surprise eggs. And let's see what we get inside. And as you can see, there's 2, 4, 6, 7 figures to collect. Let's open the first one up. And here we got Kristoff. Let's open the next one. And here we got Elsa. Okay. Next one. Let's taste this chocolate. Okay. And here we got Olaf. And we got another Olaf. We got a duplicate. And here we got another Kristoff. And the last egg, I hope it's Anna. Please let be Anna. Please let be Princess Anna. Oh, we got another Olaf. So we got 3 Olafs, but no Princess Anna from the surprise eggs. Bummer. So here's what we got from our blind boxes, blind bags, and surprise eggs. I'm going to be opening a bunch more surprises. So I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Bye.